Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So let's jump to the fixes. First solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on your console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then check if a problem is solved or not. Solution 2. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab and then turn off enable HDCP and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Solution 6 is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system, go to language section and then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and see if it helps or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database. OK. Now launch Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note. Make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Select Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight and then select delete. OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Select don't specify for DHCP hostname and in the DNS settings choose manual and then enter 8.8.8.8 in primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 in secondary DNS and then save it. And for the proxy server choose don't use and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if it helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.